this one's weird. It's like 10 o'clock at night, actually. Everyone's asleep. I'm not. I got boxes. But we're not opening this one. We're opening this one. I have no idea. It's one of those. It's been another couple days since the last video. Things are starting to look up though. One of those boxes. New channel sponsor box. Care package, goodies, etc, etc. This one is actually, how do I say this? I've been trying to get better with the channel. I've been trying to get more motivated. I'm trying to get myself out of a slump. I'm trying to get that more constant content flowing for you guys and flowing for myself. I found YouTube as an outlet to keep myself, I don't know, on a grind, if that's what I want to say. It's just to keep myself going, motivated, not just in a slump. I'm not one of those people who's used to just sitting and not doing a lot of things, and being a stay-at-home dad and watching Finn is making me sit and not do as much as I'm used to. So I find a lot of motivation on, I don't know, Instagram, stuff like that. Forged Rick is a huge motivation of why the truck has an LB7 now and a Duramax. I noticed that with a lot of his builds recently, he's into the whole OEM Plus thing where you just, everything that can be refreshed with OEM parts, you just go ahead and do that. And so, one, then we grab the other one, two, we have all new AC Delco diesel fuel caps. So we're gonna be hopping out and changing those out. Well, I have gas fuel caps on the diesel truck. Another thing is, I can honestly tell you, since I have got that Duramax, it's been over a year now. Yeah, easily over a year now, because it took us about a year to swap the motor, and then I had it for however, God knows how long before then. I haven't changed fuel filter once, and I have cat fuel filters on there, so we got a 2-pack of cat fuel filters. Go ahead and be able to swap out a fuel filter, do a little maintenance on the truck, make it a little happier. I did buy myself some little odds and ends for a project, and what those are just waterproof connections. 2-wire little Johnnies, nothing fancy, I went crazy there. I did, however, make a mistake, and this 30 feet of wiring that has 2 wires in that little bundle, yeah, that sucks. That's like speaker wire, which will be good for when I redo the speakers in the truck, but so big box, not important now. Little box, let's run out and get some stuff going. But since it's 10:30 at night, I'm gonna make this clip start tomorrow, like so. So it's the next morning. Like I said, was not trying to do anything about 10:30 at night, and now I made a mistake. So I said in previous the video, we're having a house recited. In the middle of reciting the house, obviously I'm not doing this. Get the stupid camera out of here. We're contracting a company, having them do it. It's great. Keeps me from having to, be behind on content and anything. Yeah, somehow I got behind on content anyways, but yeah, too nice of a guy. I've done siding before, trying to be nice to these guys. And go ahead and store all your stuff in my garage. It doesn't bother me. Oh shit. Mistakes were made. There's so much stuff everywhere. So today's gonna be a real short video. It's gonna be just probably changing some gas caps and a fuel filter. Sounds good to me. I don't know exactly what the plan is for today. I would love to actually get some work done, but I can't even get to the garage door open button over there because of all of that. So we're gonna go this way. Like I was saying, I don't have a plan for today. Today's off script video as I'm kicking all of the stuff walking around. We're just changing out these gas caps, changing out a fuel filter, and talking about stuff, I guess, kind of maybe. I did get new wheel cylinders and stuff into the wife's truck. Wife's truck is actually parked on the street for once. Like I said, the re-siding is pretty epic. They left a little early today because it's just been a downpour. New Hardy, all that. I don't want to walk out and get the camera wet just yet. I know it's going to get wet anyways, and it's going to probably kill the audio. It is what it is. I just want to change some gas caps really badly. Like really, really badly. So, screw all this stuff. Let's grab a AC Delco gas cap and wander out into the very, very wonderful world of a wet Pacific Northwest day. And now, yeah, I don't know necessarily how to do this. So, chest camming it for the first time? Something like that, kind of, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, let's see here. Let's explain it without the phone. So I was using that guy up there, and now that sucks, and I'm not going to use any of these. So yeah, you guys are attached here, and we're going to do it like this. And Why I have a G7 Mark II on my chest instead of the GoPro or something like that, I don't know. Let's just get these gas caps changed, because this is become a, oh, that, yep, a little bit heavy, a little bit. All right, let's see if I can snug that up a little bit. Yeah, no, don't strip it. Okay, so show you guys back just a little bit. That's like in front of my hands, right? Let's set this down. No. Might tilt you guys back just a little bit more. Then really snug it down. Yeah, this is a great clip, Joe. This is a great clip. This is just fantastic. Oh, hey, go back this way. Hi, guys. How you doing? Okay. All right, go up here like this. Hi, how you doing? Okay, now let's stop being an idiot and let's go install some gas caps. Dun, dun, dun. Finito. It's just one of those days I'm trying to get some stuff done, but it's really, really hard to get things done when, A, I have no space left anywhere. I mean, this is the driveway, which, I mean, they left on a Friday and they couldn't have emptied that and brought it back. No complaining there, but then, so no space in the front yard, and yeah, there's loud music playing, but there's no space in the backyard either. I don't have space anywhere to do anything, so hopefully this is quick, easy, you know, a week-long job, and I miss a week of content. I should have had some extra stuff in the background prepared, but like I said, sponsor package and a bunch of other things, just, yeah. We're trying to catch up, trying to get back onto the swing of things, and once summer comes around, I have so much stuff to do, so many things to unveil, and you know, just plans on plans on plans. But currently, even though the date says it's summer, you need to inform Washington that it's summer. Instead of a huge Rambletron as usual, I need to get some diesel fuel to throw into those diesel filters. I don't know if I actually even went over those. So I have a D-Max store stock filter delete, and it is running Cat 1R 0750 filters. So I grabbed a 2-pack off Amazon. I need to fill it up with diesel before I can put it on though, and my dumbass doesn't have any diesel. So I gotta run and get some diesel. We'll do that and continue on this wonderful day of getting rained on and it feeling like a shower when I walk outside. Power of editing. It's actually the next day. I was just not feeling that rain. The thumbnail picture will let you see the mood. The mood was just not real. The most annoying thing to deal with is just getting poured on. Every time I walked outside, it was like I was stepping into a shower. Not the vibe, but it's wonderfully overcast and not so bad today. I got flies all in the garage because all these guys fucking tool bags and all this. I managed to pick up some diesel. We have fuel filters. What does that mean? I think you know what that means. But before we throw that in, I have an idea, just a little bit. Let's go ahead and, we got the Hot Shots special. So we're gonna go in, I'm gonna fill like half of this filter with injector treatment and see what happens. So some diesel, some injector treatment, and a cat filter. What could go wrong, right? Let's get this going. So this clip is to show how awesome my neighbors are, because not only am I playing my music to enlighten the neighbor on the block that this is how things go, but you guys got to catch a clip of this. This is coming out of his front door, and I'm across the street. Nick is the best. Nick is just letting them know how it is. They can't say shit. It's just how we do here in this neighborhood. So yeah, you're gonna bother, you know, where's the noise complaint on him? And that's way louder than in when I got out back. Yeah, see, they didn't realize they fucked around and found out. So yeah, that's just how we do it now. The whole neighborhood, we're letting it play. But instead of rambling on about that, let's get some fuel and some filters, or a filter, and then get that thing on the big truck. Oh boy, where do I begin? So we did the fuel filter. I didn't actually film installing the fuel filter because I'm an asshole and the siding thing has just been killing me, but in there hiding, nice fuel filter. We do have a spare, like I showed you guys. It's my son squealing at cars as they drive by because he's just way too stoked on cars. But as I showed you guys, we have a spare hiding in there waiting. A bunch of hot shots as usual. I did cut that thing half hot shots, half diesel like I said, which was no big deal. Just getting a bunch of little stuff. This video ended up just being an all over the place short thing. They had me help with a lot more of the windows and the siding than I was necessarily anticipating, and yeah, just threw off my whole schedule, threw off everything, but it's done. I have my driveway back. Everything looks nice. Next week they're gonna paint. I have to install that front door, but we have the paint, we have everything ready. Loud Harley's going by. So we have the paint, we have everything ready. It's just now a matter of having it painted. I don't have to move the truck, I don't have to lose my spot for the painting, which is fantastic. I am in the process of bothering the neighbors as can be, but we have all this space back. I mean, ignore the loud stupid music, but I'm stoked. Everything's all pretty. I need to redo the roof in there. I need to redo the roof of the carport, but before I do the roof of the carport, I'm just gonna add some new lights. I wanna add some lights in here as well, because that is all we have for lighting. Everything, I mean, that one strip, that little shitty thing. I have two lights that are above the garage door that when the door is open, you can't see. And a son who just loves to squeal, I don't know. But like I said, short, quick, just a catch-up video. How you guys doing? How am I doing? What's going on? I don't know. I'm stoked on this bumper. Stoked on how the truck is coming out. But like I did say at the beginning of the video, we have a whole nother video that I'm about to be starting to film, which is just an unboxing from a new channel sponsor. We got a whole bunch of goodies in here, but that's for another video, another time. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll see you around on the next one. Average Joe Builds, we're out.